I'm finally getting around to sharing with you my Mexican hot chocolate recipe. I've been getting a lot of requests ever since last year, the first time I did my little hot chocolate bar station. So I thought I would get around to doing it this year. It is pretty simple and straightforward, so I'm gonna try not to talk your ears out throughout this video and more so just show you how I do it. You are gonna need a few additional ingredients besides just the Abuelita tablets and the milk. You also need to get some condensed milk or some lechera. You get some cinnamon sticks, some cinnamon powder, and everything else is really up to you. You can get white chocolate chips, you can get milk chocolate chips, you can also get the little candy canes, you can get marshmallows, any other toppings that you want to add. Now keep in mind, the hot chocolate is already very sweet, especially the way that I'm making it. So anything else that you add on top obviously is just going to make it that much more sweeter. First thing you want to do is bring your milk to a slow boil. I usually don't measure when I do this. I just do it a la mano. Like I just throw everything in, and however much I think I need, that's what I'll go with. But for the purpose of this video, I am doing measurements, and I'll have those all like listed down below in the description box for you. But I add the milk first, let that boil. Once that gets pretty warm, then I go ahead and add the tablets. Now I was gonna just do 2 full ones, but you're gonna see later on, once you know everything was stirring together, I saw that it needed a little bit more, and so I added another half. And again, depending on how much you're making, you want to adjust your measurements to that. Once it's almost done, then I go ahead and add the cinnamon sticks and the lechera. And I just find that this tastes the best and it comes out the best when I wait until it's almost done. I only did half of the little lechera container because it's already pretty sweet, like I said. And if people add other things on top, it's just gonna make it too sweet. The recipe that I saw that had a similar taste for what I was going for, it said to do a whole one, but for me, half is just enough. And that's really all I do when it comes to the hot chocolate. If you are gonna be volunteering to take the hot chocolate for the holidays or for New Year's or birthday, or if you're gonna do the hot chocolate station, what I personally do all the time is spend a little bit more of my money on what I'm gonna use to decorate the station, just because hot chocolate's very simple and easy and cheap to do. So if you can amp it up a little bit by adding some candy canes, chocolate chips, some cute cups and spoons and napkins, then that's gonna make the hot chocolate station look 10 times better.